Folks, my name is Olivia, and today we're going to be talking about the congestive heart failure. It is a disease that is caused by the inability or failure of the heart to adequately meet the needs of organs and tissues for oxygen and nutrients. Now, some causes of congestive heart failure could be structural damage to the heart, inability of the heart to squeeze properly, medicines or drugs that affect the heart. Some diseases that contribute to congestive heart failure are lung disease, high blood pressure that has not been treated, heart attack, overactive thyroid, and severe anemia. Now, some signs and symptoms of congestive heart failure are shortness of breath, weakness, chest pains, bloated, nauseated, and have abdominal pain, irregular heartbeat, swollen feet and ankles, loss of appetite, and cough. Now, some key vocabulary terms that you may need to know when researching congestive heart failure are aortic stenosis, which is the narrowing of the valve that leads from the left ventricle to the aorta, which makes the left ventricle struggle to push blood out of the narrowed opening. Myocarditis describes the inflammation of the heart muscle and may be due to a variety of reasons, including infection. Cardiomyopathia, heart muscle that loses its ability to squeeze efficiently. Now, you may be wondering, what are some treatments for this disease? Weight loss, a certain change in diet, staying active, certain medications. For surgeries, getting a pacemaker or having heart valve surgery can help treat this disease. Now, this disease is not curable, but it can be treated. Now, prevalence. What are the amount of people with congestive heart failure? They say about 5.1 million Americans are affected by congestive heart failure. What are some short-term effects of congestive heart failure, you may ask? Some are dry cough, rapid weight gain, swollen neck or veins, and shortness of breath. Now, what are some long-term effects of congestive heart failure? They say this is a permanent disease that cannot get better and may worsen over time. A big long-term effect is a shortened lifespan. Now, some resources available if you would like to know more information. You could ask your local doctor. You could look on the National American Heart Association website, the Heart Failure Society of America, the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, and some websites that I used during my research would be medicinenet.com, NewYorkTimes.com, severe.co.uk, and the HopkinsMedicine.org, as well as WebMD. Now, this has been my report on congestive heart failure. Stay healthy, folks.